So I'm about to change out my ignition switch. I have it right here. Gotta take all this off. Take that off. So my car has starting issues, and so I'm about to do the ignition switch. Let's get into it. Gotta do these 7mm ones to take off that. So that's next. So I got these four out. I gotta take off this metal plate. So that's off. That's off. And we're gonna have to get this. So yeah. So I have this off. I need to get into here. I don't think in this 2001, I don't think I needed to remove those because mine does not, it's connected somewhere else. So I did not need to remove those, I don't think, but I'm about to get these out and then come back. So this is a 10mm that I need to use to get, they're already loose. So let's see. That one was loose. I'll be back. Okay, I lied. I had to take off that. Whereas 4 more 10mm bolts. That's out. Here goes the new one. This is like giving me a headache, but yeah, the car is like a mess. It's giving me a headache. So I'm gonna come back after I get this all put back together, which will be probably tomorrow. Maybe even the next day. I might just let it sit for a day or two because I'm frustrated. Anyways, so yep, too much going on. Probably need to wipe it down. I'm just playing. I don't give a fuck about none of that dirt inside the thing. Yeah, don't care. So yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. I can just cry. It's night now. I've been working on this, I don't know for how long, but I finally got it done. And I still have stuff to do on this car, but I finally got it done. Ran into a few issues, so that's what took me so long. But join me for my next project on this car that's giving me a headache. No car payment though, of course, because it's so old, but